you're pretty much helping her more here than yourself. How much money are you making?
So 10% of 270, 27,000.
And what time did you realize that real estate was actually really going to work for you?
When I was, because I still had my job at this time, and I was making $22,000 wholesale fee. This is me 6 months into it, right? And I was typing up wiring instructions because I was going to get a $22,000 wire to me, and it was maybe 6 a.m. So I woke up early to get it out before I go to work. And my 8-year-old daughter comes in, right? And I'm typing it up, and I started like getting really emotional. So I'm like, man, $22,000. Like, this is actually working. And I started like bawling my eyes out. And my 8-year-old daughter, she was like, Dad, why are you crying? I was like, sometimes people cry when they're happy. They're really, really happy. She's like, I've never seen you cry before. Right? And I was like, well, when I get hurt, I don't cry, but when I'm really happy. So that was one positive experience. And it just kept building and building. And I remember what did it for me, though, was I did a whole bunch of deals, and I was maybe 9 months into it, right? And I did one deal on Saturday, door knocking, and that was making me $200,000, right? And that month I'd done 4 other deals, right? And I go to work Monday morning, make $100K on Saturday, go to work Monday morning, and someone's correcting a PowerPoint presentation I had. It was an Excel spreadsheet. I didn't capitalize something on a column, and they're like, oh, you didn't fix that. And I was like, and I mentally checked out at work after that.
Did you give a 2 weeks notice, or did you just pack and leave? Because I had some people that like, I am sorry, that was not even 2 weeks.
No. I told my boss how much I was making in real estate. He's like, what?
And why are you still here?
This isn't a prison. You can leave anytime. If you were my own son, I would tell you to walk out the door and never come back.
Oh, wow.
Right.
That's from your boss.
Right. But I stayed at work, and I just started working out at the gym at work instead of working. I started answering my phone, doing real estate at work, and then eventually I'm like, at the end of the year. Yeah. So it was a slow death at work.
It's coming, and you can feel that your vision, your goals, and your mentality, it does change when you see that needs our help, that we actually change in their lives and our family by ourselves. You know, when my kids see me doing the deals and working and talking to seller, to the title, to the knowledge that my boys have today is experience that they don't understand how lucky they are at their age. And for your daughter to experience and to see the transition of the dad back then and the dad now, I don't think they can compare. Is your kids, how are they reacting with you today versus the before?
Okay, so now I don't have a real job anymore.
Oh yeah,
I work for
now
myself.
you're just a hangout.
All right. So now, with my youngest, he's 5. One defining moment in my life, and it seems very small, but it's important to me, is that I was able to drop him off at pre-K and pick him up the same day. I was normally at work. I'd never do that, right?
Yeah.
So it was nice to spend extra time with my kids during the day. And if I want to take a day off, you know, I can help them with their homework. We can go to the park. We can do whatever and spend that quality time with them, because you're never going to get your time back.
Yeah.
You're going to grow up quick. It'll be gone.
How many years do you had to work on your previous job to make what you have today?
At least a decade or more, maybe 2 decades.
Do you think your kids today are proud of you?
Oh yeah. So a couple months ago, my 11-year-old, she came home from school with, you know, describe your parent type worksheet thing. And one of the sections said, my dad